Hey YouTube, what's up? So here we have the YEFU, I don't know how you would say that, YEFU smokeless fire pit. These are getting really popular because obviously we're on a fire pit here, and this is like kind of huge and a lot of people don't have space for this. So a lot of people are going to this, and you can have the kind of like same effects of the big one. You get like the campfire smell. You can put little pieces of wood into it. You can actually go out and just collect little limbs and stuff like that for fuel, so you don't have to really buy nothing. Start it with one of these little things here. I just snap it in half. You could just use the torch, take and just get it going. Then once you get it going, you got everyone sitting around, you can throw in some like funky flames. Looks really cool, some different colors. So let's get this thing unboxed and see what's in it. I haven't seen none on YouTube with this yet, with this brand. So there's the specs. You want to pause it and check it out. Let's go all the way around the box here before we take it out. You can pick it up on Amazon for I think roughly 60 bucks. Not bad. We had a coupon, we got it a little bit cheaper than that. So it's in a little bag. Get you some instructions here. Shows you what you can put in. 4 to 5 inch pieces, light to fire, about 5 feet away from grass and everything, and enjoy life. That's what it says. So there it is, and that's how it works. If you're not familiar with this setup here. Smokeless. Not supposed to be putting out no smoke, so we will have to see about that. So it's got a bag, a label, nice carry bag. Kind of put everything away when you're done with it. Look at that, really nice finish to it. Stainless steel, I would think. It's got a remove that. It's got a nice little mat here that you would put down, and then put that on the bottom so you don't burn anything. Got an ash holder. Here's 2 extendable like marshmallow sticks. Roast yourself some hot dogs. So really nice of them to include that. And then this here is just an ash thing, so you can pull it out and change the ash out on it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing set up. And first time me ever working with it, so bear with me. But yeah, it's not bad for the price, for what it does. Pretty decent. If it works well, which I believe it should be. I'll put one of them on there, and we'll just light that up. As you can see, instant lights up. I might better be able to do this. Let's blow it back out actually. It's gonna be hard to get it in the container because that's getting hot quick. Alright, let's get the little pokey stick to give this. Let's just set that on the wood for now. Watch that, because that'll get hot quick. Set that there. Drop that in, and then we'll pick this guy up and get it in there. I thought I could light it and reach over and just grab it, but obviously it wasn't gonna happen. Look at that thing. That thing, I didn't expect it to take off that fast either. So at that point, then you can just put the lid on. It is smoking because of that, but then just put you some wood in it. Obviously, to make it the size, you really don't want nothing hanging out, unless you want that big beastly fire. I see people that have stuff sticking out and they're fine. So yeah, looks like it might work very well once you get it going. And then, like I said, you can just take a torch and you can just, and I mean, it lights it right up. You can already hear it catching and crackling. So that is the YEFU smokeless fire pit. What you see smoking is the starter that I put in there, and where I guess I got it hanging out, you got to kind of have it down in there. The object is it pulls cool air through. It has a bunch of holes down inside there, if you can see, and it kind of like just works it away like it shows you on the paper. Like it shows you there how it flows and everything. So that's not bad. Like I said, the smoke's just from what that is, maybe. To me, I really don't care if it smokes. But yeah, it kind of gives you the campfire effect. We just picked it up just to have it for like in our little gazebo greenhouse thing there. Of course, it won't be like this. It'll be broken up and everything will be down inside. No fire hanging out of it. This was just for the first burn. Just put it out there and let it burn. You can see it's burning and dropping down in there quickly. So these things are no joke. They will start very fast. So be aware of that. I could have probably used a quarter of that. That's pretty cool, right? So set Joe back here. And all within, I don't know, how long, a couple minutes, get it going. Here, like I said, roast you some hot dogs and marshmallows, whatever. Well, you know what, that's pine, so that's probably why it's smoking as well. You don't know pine has that sap into it, so yucky wood. That's what people don't believe burns it when they have fire pit. They burn like, or fireplace, they burn like hardwood. So, but I can't complain with that. If it was down in there, the fire would barely be up out of there. Well, see, that's why you don't want it up out of there. So it doesn't fall out. But it's hot. You feel it back here. So, alright guys, that's the review of that, the unboxing. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And pick you one up and enjoy.